Hello grade 5, how are you? I hope you are all still in a very good condition. Right now, I will demonstrate how to construct our science project. These are the things that you got from the package. There are 3 straws, 3 small balloons, 2 big size balloons, 1 transparent tape, 1 liquid uhu, a cap of a bottle with the hole of course, and the bottle. The final result of this project will be like this. This represents the nose. There is the windpipe, air tubes, lungs, air sacs inside the lungs, and our diaphragm. When our diaphragm goes down, then the lungs will be inflated. When diaphragm goes up, then the lungs will be deflated. And so on. Now I will explain about this big balloon. For some of you, you will get this smaller balloon than this one. But actually, we just need one big size balloon. If you got the size of this balloon, it's okay. This balloon can still work to be the diaphragm. But what you have to do first is, of course, you have to stretch the balloon. This one still can work to be like this, yeah? This one still can work, okay? So don't worry if you get this size of balloon. Okay, now I will start how to construct these materials. First, please take your straw. Well, actually, we only need 1 straw, but we give you extra 2, just in case you do a mistake in the middle of the working. You bend the straw, and then you cut on the other side of the straw. Make sure that the size of the straw will be the same because this is gonna be the air tubes. After you cut this out, then cut on the other side of it diagonally. Okay, this is the diagonal side. And then for the bending area, please cut and make a hole, but don't too big. This hole is enough. So now we take the diagonal side and put inside the hole. Okay, so this is gonna be the air tubes. And now we will cover the whole area with the liquid uhu, just to make sure there is no air will go out. And now you have something like this. Of course, the liquid uhu is still wet around this one, right? So you have to wait until this dry. Okay, now mine is dry already. What to do next after the liquid uhu dried? Take the small size of balloon and put it in the air tubes. Fold the balloon like this. After you fold, take the transparent tape and cover the balloon. Cover the balloon now, just to make sure there is no hole to let the air out. If you feel enough, you can cut the tape. And then take the other one. As usual, we give you the extra one just in case there is mistake. Put it in the other one and fold again And take the transparent tape and put there to make sure there is no air can get out. If you feel enough, then you can cut. Okay, so you have something like this, and these two balloons will represent our lungs. Let's do the next step. Take the bottle and put it inside. Okay, this gonna represent the windpipe. Then take the cap of the bottle and put the straw in the hole and tighten the cap. After this, of course, there is still whole area here, right? So let us put again the liquid uhu on the top of it, just to make sure there is no air can get out. If you feel that the liquid uhu already covered all the hole, please wait until this dry. Okay, after the liquid uhu is dried already, take the big size of the balloon. This gonna represent the diaphragm. Because this one is big enough, so you don't need to stretch. But if you get this size, like I said before, please stretch it out. Now I will use this one and I will tie this. Now I have something like this. Next, we put this on the bottle as the diaphragm. Next step is take the transparent tape and cover all sides of the balloon, just to make sure there is no air can get out. If you feel it's enough, you can cut. Okay, now you have your project done. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you all the best and good luck for your next presentation. God bless you.